Now we will learn how to solve the simultaneous linear equation graphically. Okay, solve the simultaneous linear equation graphically. Question number 18 of exercise 21b. We have two equations, x plus 2y equal to 3, 4x plus 3y equal to 2, linear equation into variables x and y. Take the first equation, x plus 2y equal to 3. Okay, x will be x plus 2y equal to 3. We have 2y equal to 3 minus x, y equal to 3 minus x by 2. We have to draw the line of these two equations in the graph. Okay, and the point of intersection of these two lines will be the values of x and y, will be the solution of x and y. Okay, for that we have to make the table, get the points and plot them. Okay, for both the equations. So here we have x, y equal to x minus 3 minus x by 2, xy. We have to take only those values of x corresponding to which the values of y is a integer, so that plotting of the points will be simple. Okay, when we take x equal to 1, we get y equal to 3 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, it is 1, 1 comma 1. When we take x equal to minus 1, 3 minus 1 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, it is 2, 1 minus 1 comma plus 2. We have got these 2 points very easily. Now for the next equation, 4x plus 3y equal to 2, we have 4x plus 3y equal to 2 implies that 3y equal to 2 minus 4x. This implies that y equal to 2 minus 4x upon 3. When we take x equal to minus 1, we have y equal to minus 2, 2 minus 4x by 3, that is equal to 2 minus 4 times minus 1 by 3, that is minus minus plus 4, 2 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 6 by 3, 2. So when x equal to minus 1, y's value is plus 2, minus 1 comma 2. Similarly, we have to take those values of x for which y's value is an integer. When we take x equal to plus 2, what do we get? 2 minus 4 into plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 8 by 3, that is 6 by minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2, 2 comma minus 2. Okay, you can some of you can get other points also, not necessarily that everyone should get this point. Okay, some can get other points also, but that both should be integer, both should be integers. Okay, come to the graph. In the graph we have y-axis, x-axis, horizontal, vertical, origin, x, x dash, y, y dash, 1 2 3 for positive, negative, positive, negative. Scale we have taken x-axis 10 division 1 unit, y-axis 10 division 1 unit. Okay, the first equations line we have x plus 2y equal to 3, and the first point is 1 comma 1, abscissa 1, ordinate 1. This is 1 comma 1. First plot both the point. Next we have minus 1 comma 2, abscissa is minus 1, ordinate is plus 2. This is the point. Okay, the line will go like this. We can simply write here minus 1 comma 2, comfortably write it, and here we have 1 comma 1. Draw the line, join these 2 points, start from here and here. Okay, and add 2 arrows at the end of the line, 2 arrows. Next we have another equation, 4x plus 3y equal to 2. For this we have 2 points, minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma 2, same point. Here we have minus 1 comma 2. Okay, next we have 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2 here. This is 2 comma minus 2. Line will go like this, 2 comma minus 2. Join these 2 points this way, 2 arrows at the end of the line. You can see that the point of intersection is at minus 1 comma 2. The point of intersection is at minus 1 comma 2. Okay, you can name it also. Suppose we take a point here A, take a point here B, on this line, take a point B. Suppose we take on this line, this is C and this is D. This is D. Okay. Now, the line AB and the line CD intersect -1, 2. Line AB is the line of the equation, first equation. It is x plus 2y equal to 3. Right? Just above that, x plus 2y is equal to 3. And the line CD is the line of the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 2, and these two line intersect at -1, 2. Hence we will write the answer here. The graph of two lines, AB and CD, intersect at the point -1, 2. Hence the solution is x equal to -1 and y equal to 2. Okay, see here itself you got -1 and 2, 2 comma -2, 1 comma 1. You can get other points also, like see, come to AB. When you will take x's value of -5, you will get y's value as 4. You can get -5 comma 4. You can get here -5, corresponding to which you will get 4, -5 comma 4. Okay, likewise many points you can get it. Okay, see, similarly in this line also, if you take x's value as -4, then y's value will correspond to 6. Okay, you can take -4, corresponding to which you will get 6, -4 comma 6. Okay, this way you can solve the simultaneous linear equation graphically. Thank you.